Another new feature that we have added that I think will be very useful for most of you is the ability to create playlists based on Excel files. I mean, the reality for most of you is that you receive a list of sequences that has to be added to a playlist, right? This list used to be an Excel file, right? A spreadsheet with different adwords, the orders, etc. Right? So, one feature that we have added to the playlist edition, let me place it with the correct size so that we can see it clearly. If we create a new playlist, for example, imported playlist, I will create a shortcut for it so that it's easy to be seen. I will put it in red so it's easy identifiable. And here we have a new button that is import sequences to playlist. On the other hand, I have an Excel file here that is the list of the sequences. These names are exactly the names of the sequences, okay? In this case here I have a mistake with one sequence name, okay? So I will click on import sequences to playlist and I will have this window here telling me it will remove the previous sequences, so it will keep it clean. And what I will do is I will copy this content here. So the next step is to check that all these sequences exist. In this case, I have some of them that do not exist. Okay, so I can remove it or I can correct them. In this case, I will remove them, right? Is the number 2 that does not exist. And I will check it again. Perfect. Now everything is green. I can import them. I can import as many as I want. I am just using a small example so that is more understandable. If I click import, here I have a playlist already created with the content that I have indicated in my playlist. Imagine that in this case my client tell me that this has to be repeated here. So I will do exactly the same. I would copy them all, import the new sequences, check, remove the ones that I know are not correct, check it again, the sequence 2 was not there, check it, you can see that this one has been repeated, this one here was not repeated, so I will import it again. I will remove the previous ones. I don't want to add them, I just want to remove them. So here we have it, everything corrected, just one click. I hope this is useful for you. I am sure it will be for many of you. Please, if you have any comment, do not hesitate to contact us. And I hope that this new version simplifies your job. Have a great day. Bye.